Did you know that 45% of Americans have a side hustle? Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or just earn some extra cash, there are 3 easy side hustles you can start today. No experience required. Stick around because I'm about to break down exactly what these side hustles are, how to get started, and where to find high-paying opportunities. Let's dive in. The first side hustle is freelance writing. If you can write clear and engaging content, you can make money online by helping businesses, bloggers, or brands with their writing needs. Here's how you can make money with freelance writing. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger. Content mills. Start with platforms like TextBroker or iWriter to build your portfolio. Start a blog. Monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. The average freelance writer earns between $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can begin. Here's how you can learn freelance writing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Elna Kane or blogs like Make a Living Writing offer excellent tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Freelance Writing for Beginners, or Skillshare, Writing for the Web. Practice tools. Use tools like Grammarly to improve your writing or Hemingway Editor to simplify your content. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance writing gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick writing services. ProBlogger job board, ideal for long-term writing opportunities. Now, let's explore the second side hustle. The second side hustle is social media management. With businesses spending billions on social media marketing, they need skilled managers to create engaging content, run ads, and grow their online communities. Here's how you can make money with social media management freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Local businesses. Approach small businesses that need help managing their social media accounts. Agency work. Join a digital marketing agency to gain experience and build your portfolio. The average social media manager earns between $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn social media management. Free resources. YouTube channels like Social Media Examiner or blogs like Hootsuite's blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Coursera, Social Media Marketing Specialization, or Udemy, Social Media Management Mastery. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva for designing posts or Buffer for scheduling content. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick social media management gigs. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for social media experts. Next, let's dive into the third side hustle. The third side hustle is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can make money by teaching others online. Here's how you can make money with online tutoring. Tutoring platforms. Offer your services on platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or Tutor.com. Teach your expertise. Create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. One-on-one sessions. Offer personalized tutoring sessions via Zoom or Skype. The average online tutor earns between $15 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn online tutoring. Free resources. YouTube channels like Teachers Tech or blogs like Tutorful Blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Online Teaching for Beginners, or Skillshare, How to Teach Online. Best platforms: VIPKid, great for teaching English to students abroad. Chegg Tutors, perfect for tutoring in academic subjects. Udemy, ideal for creating and selling your own courses. Once you're ready, you can start earning by sharing your knowledge with others. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know 3 easy side hustles that can help you make money online fast: freelance writing, social media management, and online tutoring. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, these side hustles are beginner-friendly and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one side hustle, and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.